is the universe? It sounds like a simple question, but the answer is almost impossible to imagine. Look up at the night sky. What do you see? A few stars? Maybe a faint glow of distant light? It feels small, peaceful, almost within reach. But what you are looking at is only a tiny fraction of what actually exists, because the universe is far, far bigger than it appears. In fact, it is so vast that the human brain struggles to understand it. Let's start with something simple. The Earth. It feels enormous, right? Oceans, continents, mountains, stretching for thousands of kilometers. But compared to space, the Earth is nothing more than a tiny dot. Now think about the sun, the star, at the center of our solar system. It is so large that more than 1 million Earths could fit inside it. And yet, the sun is not special. It is just one star among hundreds of billions in our galaxy. That galaxy is called the Milky Way. And inside the Milky Way, there are over 100 billion stars, each one possibly surrounded by planets just like our own solar system. Now pause and think about that. 100 billion stars in just one galaxy. But here's where things become truly unbelievable. The Milky Way is not alone. Beyond our galaxy, there are others, not just a few, not hundreds, but billions, each galaxy containing billions of stars. Some galaxies are smaller, some are far larger than our own, and they are all spread across the universe, separated by unimaginable distances. To measure these distances, scientists use something called a light year. A light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year, and light is the fastest thing in the universe. It travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. In just 1 second, light can circle the Earth 7 times. Now imagine that speed for an entire year. That is 1 light year. The nearest star after our sun is over 4 light years away, and our galaxy is about 100,000 light years across. That means even light takes 100,000 years to travel from one side to the other. And beyond that, there are galaxies, millions, even billions of light years away. When we look into space, we are not just looking far, we are looking back in time, because the light we see has been traveling for millions of years. Some of the galaxies we observe today may not even exist anymore, but their light is still reaching us. That is how vast the universe truly is. But here's the biggest question. Does it end? Is there an edge to the universe? A place where everything stops? Science has been searching for this answer for decades, and so far, we have found no edge, no boundary, no wall. Instead, the universe appears to go on forever. But it gets even stranger. The universe is not just big, it is expanding. Right now, as you are listening to this, galaxies are moving away from each other. The space between them is growing. This means the universe is getting bigger every second. And the further away a galaxy is, the faster it moves away. It's like the universe itself is stretching. And here's the most mind-blowing part. We can only see a small portion of it. This is called the observable universe. It's the part where light has had enough time to reach us. But beyond that, there may be much more, possibly infinitely more. More galaxies, more stars, more worlds, far beyond anything we can ever see. So, how big is the universe? The truth is, we don't fully know. It is bigger than we can measure, bigger than we can explore, and maybe bigger than we can ever understand. But one thing is certain, you are standing inside something truly infinite.